Today I'm making Streusel, not the soft loose crumble used for the pies, but a crisp structured base for the Entremet cakes and crunchy insert. I previously used a hazelnut version in my hazelnut and strawberry mousse cake. This time I'm demonstrating a different technique, making the dough entirely in a food processor instead of using the creaming method. It's straightforward, prevents overworking and doesn't require any resting time. As for ingredients, I'm using the plain flour, castor or fine sugar, almond meal and salted butter. You can use unsalted butter and add a pinch of salt. Salt will balance the sweetness. Place everything in a food processor and blend until the dough comes together, similar to making short crust pastry. At first it will look sandy. Continue processing until the butter softens and a cohesive dough forms. Finish by bringing it together briefly with your hands. Then roll the dough out to 2 or 3 millimeters, chill until firm so it's easy to cut clean shapes, then bake at approximately 160 degrees Celsius or 320 degrees Fahrenheit for about 10 minutes. Use the smaller food processor if you're going to make a smaller batch, otherwise the dough would not be mixed properly. After 10 minutes in the oven, I've got these results, so pay attention for the color. It may take a bit longer in your oven or even shorter if your oven is more powerful. I decided to make two versions of this dough. The first one with a fine caster sugar and another one with the usual sugar. So as far as I can see, the usual sugar provides more like a rough texture. It's less even compared to the caster sugar. The difference is not critical, so you can use fine sugar or usual sugar. But before you start doing anything with this Streusel, it needs to be fully cooled down, otherwise you would not be able to remove it from the silicone mat. Now let's make a crunchy insert. Start with a baked Streusel and blitz it into fine crumbs. You will also need a peanut butter, milk chocolate and neutral oil, basically any oil without flavor, and crushed baked peanuts. Melt the chocolate, stir in the peanut butter and oil, and add Streusel crumbs and crushed peanuts and mix until fully combined. This mixture can be used as a crunchy base layer for the mousse cake or as a bottom layer for a tart. You can press it onto a frozen mousse cake to form the base or spread and freeze it to use it as an insert inside the mousse cake. Avoid placing it directly in the center of the mousse layer. When slicing, the firm layer will compress softer layers beneath and cause uneven cuts.